Honorable Agyapong. Oma many when I say you lose abano in 2022.
22, yes.
But 2022, no presidential candidate.
Nobody.
It is a day, and I would this work over Dr. Bawumia. I think you lose and said I hear you president Dr. Bawumia.
Oh, Bawumia,
with this person can be because I think you say you lose 2022. Did Dr. Bawumia Oba no body and say Oba be so mukeke. Say yenya baby njina ampanso ye lose mum de banko ye ni kwase bebre because he a ban on national affairs. When we say national affairs, you know, business people, security, economics, security, economics, you know, media agriculture, no in our account, and no and a driver state. One is about now the only security the economics no more okofa money na because he doesn't the atrokra onimu no omo born fam.
I see.
Sana ye ndi paye a omo nyina ebe omote. Omo nyina ombekwa akofo nkrofo na omo aba abeye na omo aye omo supervisors. Na I tell you say mo anya ni papa na also bebo fam team. Papa na also opese odi yen party na ni no on being wo yen party no yen ideology mu ye.
Okay.
Apart from also on being, because I can see that he is a confused persona of somebody who want to lead the MPP, which is a free market a philosophical party. You believe in say there should be free market.
Yeah. Yam kwana yedi kobonfa your potential president of 2029. Now,
thank you.
Ade kura punti Dr. Bawumia.
Media can be some sample say ade na ga enye Dr. Bawumia na ka hina bio. Seriously, seriously, Dr. Bawumia because say yes, say ye dokunu go ho na ukofana yes fana nia abia nia se ebi wo mu na ehu ahia nyansa be kira say eno nafa if say for nothing eno na kira say eja akano
happen yeah
yes na
obajimi phone mhenya na dokuna ato ahye yeah that's right.
Thank you. Yes. Na ushe candidates are here one no. Seriously, MPP na party beer. Sometimes democracy no so much theoretical about the word practice of democracy. When you say NDC for time na after President John Atamils on your family currency of free mono. Yeah, betting na name mono. When him say there was nothing like election.
Yeah, I actually remember.
The vice president, became the acting president, and he was the one who contested on their ticket and became president. And after he has consistently been their candidate up to and was an president bio.
Yeah.
Now, who share so His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo 2027 December 2028. Okofa His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Feed Bank of Ghana. Edini by say obey onuna on running behind him no. Papa yi ejuma we dino. Yefa say President His Excellency Dr. Bawumia o joining party no 2008.
Okay.
Ejuma we dino. I don't know which of the people contesting 4 other people now. Yebe to me di omo eduma atoto His Excellency Dr. Bawumia Eduma. Minim because omo nyina ye ni mo nyina ye ni mo bia ye public record wo ho.
Yeah.
But Papa we Neduma we di. He even came into Ghana politics or changing the discourse of Ghanaian politics.
This one
first, Ghanaian politics in the 1980 and 1910 soon, in 9 soon, the soon, and no more and idea politics. But on no and on the issues-based politics and kata by with strong public lectures. Emma, civil society who said no, this man is somebody who have something to follow. In 2016 now 2016 vice president. From 1993, vice president bet me about maybe then I'll bet me I tell you will struggle. Me bo Acadia and Yabeka say Rollins Ecobodo. Me bo his JE Mills Dia minima de Kodia or the Becca. Nia o de Becca no pa 20,000 election Otna Akongwamua. Not say I'll be my own man. I'll be my own man. That and no, and I would bet me the Akaino. With Jan Hona Uko Uba Yang Diemo, His Excellency Aliu Taima.
Aliu Mahama.
I would bet me minima they could have become apart from Obodanfo Obia or Jins Obodanfo di Abako Shoe, BHS mentions or apart from no you catch it is something coming from the vice president officer. Minima they could be able to be the archive. We need free we need free the next vice president current president John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. Ono so be any vice president. Ono niama o de be kai no. A lot of them are corruption issues.
Corruption allegations.
Corruption. Any allegations, established corruption issues. Exactly. A lot of them, including Embraer flighter or Brazil, any Amajaro, no money in the Akika, Niama Bibri, or the baby, Ameridos, and Munina Abemo. Also answer the hini good mine in a brother. You can those are the things you could have used to remember him now vice president. And after JD Mahama and Mr. Ata in Subai. Mr. Ata by no seriously minima de could have made back and only say only them because oko gym na oko car baby apart from minima de could have made the back in part as a Juma waye. But Obefa His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Alhajia, who chair MPP performance from 2017 to 2025, January 6th, Juma MPP you can attribute about 50% to him.
Successful project.
Successful project. Yes, in Niama, Bibia Yediaman is or no, and na on no. You can count success and outcomes, successful outcomes.
I see.
Inti ebebre ebi ubekaya yebaye ansana ebebana Ghana Port and Harbour Authority who cut the Katama Harbour nita krade Harbour the chaos na ewo hono mo. Uniama bedu port na was ska odi be yukra no one twenkra say 22 weeks na otu ya demorage and say wetimi.
Yeah.
But because of his effort and the ideas, say would the Uniama see Poso America has his here. Now this is so now you can pay your duty before the goods arrive.
Yeah. And no crane policy no could have saying
paperless sport. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Apart from yes, answer the President Kufuor national ID card sharing, sir. We are sure time President Kufuor official national ID card. Na ma for the bro until say they be share Dr. Bawumia answer.
Yeah.
Many workers say national ID card. Almost every adult Ghanaian would. Yes.
This one is one of the major policies, and another
yes.
People don't recognize.
Since me no kasa me Virginia. So me person because Ghana this year, I can put my passport into my backpack. Na me Ghana card, no. Because Ghana this year. Because of Ghana card, yes, need social security number. We GRA18 and so many other identifications in Ukita Ghana card. It takes care of all that.
Now, apart from that, is it also through Ghana card and the security operation more easier for the police?
Only say because Ghana card biometric aban hodada.
Okay.
Yeah, answer na be Ghana card your fingers all your 10 fingers are captured. Via biometric so be obi tiompo na yakofatu na share fingerprint na we can easily trace who the person is. My security job easy Ghana police and the security agencies. Besides Ghana card, President Kufuor Ankasa ebedini ho dance say officer during the COVID time Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia ban the office. And over trying to say there were hospital gaps Ghana. With the way COVID of course as I say I'm making sure say district be a Benja hospital.
Yeah.
First of the 88 requests actually and almost the regions can be count and acquire 111. Because of such an efficient vice president, Ghana started developing hospitals across the whole country. You need a vice president or thinking solutions before you can get such advices. Otherwise, vice president and people won't do kind in almost your office. Say president in who another president into me call school inauguration beer and now the president thank you. No, I can't now I just said president friend say only bribi. But with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I'm for can say and president Kufuor can say or the neighbor no about manage economy and we join the economy we call digitalization. It takes somebody with higher economic understanding to convert economics into digitalize an economy.
Yes.
Since can say Ghana now we like to call off and a joy first no better demo madiachi.
Yeah.
But because of digitalization this phone now mobile money was so in less than 5 seconds, we like to know better baby.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Apart seriously, I can't ejuma His Excellency Dr. Bawumia. Na anka media everyone pose one more sorry say more contest Dr. Bawumia or bra or contest biomuno. They still had the courage to show their head. Because seriously, who shouldn't the partner a Juma wire? You can tell yourself, say you can't match it.
Now, now or push it to the other candidates. Now my question is the other was maybe
Sure.
Okay, other candidates they say they are coming in because Dr. Bawumia is too soft.
Inkomoya yedi ye tutu ye na tutu ye nsa tutu ye ntira na inkomo aye is that what we are doing? But
absolutely
you know, yes, it is strength. Sebano in this kind of civilized society now, strength in jina se utie mu na ututu nsa tutu na yo. Strength no ye adwen emudo e solve problem enu na ye strength no. Nti no say you can say oye soft obi oye soft obi oye soft na otumi ma uda ho a otumi solve light solve this huge problem amount in the soft ni obi oye soft na say uniama fi abrochire ba this is so obetimi ape usika no wetu yakakora ansa na bedu nti bedu pa acha one day no wetimi akokle uniama where soft idea where soft
absolutely
you know now there be said Dr. Bawumia onye he is not a military commander any military commander na ekwa go you
na almost Ghana for so he bia why no want to say JJ Ron's style ni bi betien be de be bra manfo we are now fire.
One say yenu anumu a dodo na ewo MPP no. Dodo na mehu Jerry Rawlings.
Okay.
Dodo na mehu Jerry Rawlings from his 81 na how he came. And no obe fi abemu kurampo no say na obe to Ghana ni say no ja Ghana. They have no idea. And nothing na masa adniama we impress wo. Na se menu ye beka ya Jerry Rawlings buy niama oka se Ghana economy na say na obti abemu ewumu ano aba no say it is coming, it is taking off ni niama nyina at the end of the day ofi abemu na Ghana ye hipik.
Yeah.
It is agidi way in fact obe na woso. It took a gentle giant like President Kufuor no so onye gidi and oba be resolve your problems in my Inti ejuma ewo ho no no enye ni otutu enye football de ekobo na ni obi epia na so we pia ni bi no we adwen emu ye duru emu pi o se omu nyina obu bia ntumi ka se Dr. Bawumia na adwen we ha why are they me enu na obi to me ka na to me prove ebe convince me na medionya ko na echi.
Okay.
So, na say Dr. Bawumia and I dream we have you're competent. Dear no more bar. Now you discuss it to me, convince me, then fine, I'll follow you. But seriously, Dr. Bawumia, we are not employing him as a military commander. And as I say, military commander is corrupt, no one military commander, the generals are not gidi people. The generals sit quietly to plan and execute. So any nipa yepe for yem presidency. And Nuntina Dr. Bawumia qualify very, very, very well because he is productive. He has solutions, ideas are Emma solutions. Or sounds apart from say, you're competent, you know. Or sounds you're very, very down to earth. So we need Dr. Bawumia share. Oh my who say on Shiauda and I say Nimu. He will receive you now. No be can yes so no can you now obey you so such humble person and I be say obedi anim kan anim bi empania ye kwa na bibi ko see critical situation na what to be amani ye na say you so ye to be money no na o mani nyina akoya daja no me sure say no bi ni nia ye hwehwe. And among all of them, the most experienced politician I ever organized is here, Dr. Bawumia. We MPP Moses here, Dr. Bawumia. Onona, why running mate for 8 years.
Okay.
Was also a vice president for 8 years. Wasan so a flag bearer in the latest election when he was the vice president, the president, you know, why you're mining in a jam.
Yeah.
You know, he has even been president for a lot of times. It onim say na yetutu enyo obi a brother man you obi a ye no president a abi no kwakọ say dando awo hin we hammer wo hin ye fam wo hin no he is actually very familiar with the terrain.
I see.
Say ye dwen MPP ho no na say ye dwen Ghana ho say hina na ye de ne kosi ho a Ghana for embre. It is with all this, you know. Ubeka is a president. J. Kufuor can say, Dr. Bawumia, Unipa, Onyakopon Edinacha, in the Ghana for in Sony Muye. The day he said, Dr. Bawumia, man of destiny and the man of the moment, you know.
Yeah.
That was how he concluded, or say Ghana for in Sony Muye. No, na yedibibi jana, obetumi asumuye. Na ono enti no mense na remedi kankan no se ye di dokuno egu ho na ye se yinia abia definitely se wunni mukura ni ehun ahye ne de onim se na abin among the 5 candidates no ni an ehun ahye aye behwe se ne won na abin no Dr. Bawumia.
Okay, the answer another 2 questions concerning the other candidates now. Money doctor a contest no the person because you have been with doctor for a long time because you are a presidential staffer automatically you have been with doctor for a long time, so I think say you have we know where the right person between my answers against Niama Biduma yet in our bonting and a what na presidency so paying into I think say also na unim the presidency. It my first question is a man for a doctor, any scanning, or me and Yuma. See me when I do media. Yes, doctor, or yes, scanning, me and Yuma, Uncle Yuma will be. Do you think, say, being a president of a republic, you know, you need to be an entrepreneur before you can lead a country like Ghana? And I do a company be another farmer for Yantene Dana. This is what I mean.
But thank you. Many will say me were the United States of America.
Okay.
Now I can tell you they are being led by a business guru.
Okay. Donald Trump, right?
You. Now, my country will say every day be our beco grocery shop be a to Niamaso. Yes, the level of increment in goods and services of the United States of America and yet at the Kitoa.
Oh, why?
I can give you an example. First, now in Kosia create. Now, you say $3. Since I mean, look at $8.
Wow, from 3 to 8.
Yes. Country being led by a businessman. Now, many years ago, Donald Trump, the level of business, you know, one more in Ghana now, more can business, sell me a business, one more do a more 100.
Absolutely not. But
because Donald is a billionaire.
Yeah. In dollars, not in cities.
Yes, in dollars, not in cities. Thank you.
Yeah. Intino me pacho sa nema na bona ekosoro wo America hono.
Yeah.
It will be a link because of said Donald Trump, a businessman in Tiamasa nema na bona ekosoro na.
Thank you. Say, me ambassador Bichra say policies are would manage your business, you know, and you know they manage state too.
Okay.
We are businessman, you can be transactional in everything you do. But when you are president, you can't lead in a transactional way.
Profitable.
Now, transactional attitude now the other presidency. And no na ekosu America for near ekosu Sisiano. When was that? obia on the baby as I say oba eniama na nka America for edima kro bi no free na omo afa be nyansa kwan so anya bribi no oba wa betwitwa ni nyina mu o say Africa for mo be export to bibi aba America as say mbetu ya 15% as export duty ni ne keka ka ho o that ani ama 15% no Ghana ni export to ba yam eba America na ujina o say yam no de beto so na America for na betu ya.
Yeah, of course, yes, of course.
Yes. Okay. It is all president now because we are transactional in everything. Seriously, on crop on never bread. Now, since I mean, okay, say, but then answer you to about for governors, America, Maryland, Virginia, and Washington. For the past 11 years, in a year, Republican they winning. Since and I mean, okay, say, that 3 states in Democrats in a winning.
Okay.
This is giving a direction. Say America for when who say want to about my businessman. Woman finance any. Omokofa obi a friend who businessman.
Now America president develop no they have.
Yes. Now say who share from their first president through Abraham Lincoln no be kan Obama no mo na a businessman.
Nobody.
Nyansafo na di omo man nanim. Na tam na omo ye mistakes e obehwe obi a o sika no eno na akosi wo say. Sa na mbeze me ka say Ghana no enye business. Ghana no enye business. Ghana no ye kro a ye welfare ye iniama eboa amanfo. Ghana is not an enterprise. We here obi our business acumen na waba bedi anim. Business for no enye omo business. Me who say honorable Agyapong okọ baby na waka akọchire wo so ba bebu factory wa ha ye to abama na wa be factory.
How it was coming. Yeah, push on.
But seriously, me ho ana me won say enti nipa ye etie ni ade buying into this because seriously a businessman or person be factory. He knows what to do to open his factory, and it has nothing to do with being a president.
Oh, I see.
Yes, because obebuye ni cold store. No say on your president obuye. Other business ideas are when you're at various areas. He doesn't need to be a president because who sure His Excellency now Danko Akufo-Addo power 2017 to 2025. Sika His Honorable Agyapong nyaye personally from contracts. Me just say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo krako nya sa sika bi.
Like really?
Yes. In billions. Now you tell me now you lose about fear bemu in December around 16 December 2024. Onungwa ka abai ka bia ye bi man ye di tuya no 645 million. I don't think Akufo-Addo had that money in that December or the Kofi.
Absolutely no.
Yes.
And your more did dear jam when you did dear jam, you did dear jam.
Oh no, now where did dear giant? Now what done in the one I catch a man say will be the dear giant because the dear where did no be and DB.
And Papa was a cowing what to me again on Namsa for the dear jam before.
Now only my was a room.
Mitio Brown.
Oko Jesus Asicano. And party, party for no party in pay for no who says it can be about and almost say party in this sky the bet we are lad burning ye workers in the kind ye more one of 1 million free Musas Canomo and Okofa cameras in Echi and all the core party office there by a donation. He didn't know, say, as at that time, not Dr. Bawumia Kwakoma party no 3 million po. No one for camera, one for free.
And him go say,
Indeed, almost was Sika. Well, maybe a minimum because Sika who are Wunkwana Udi. And Obia who in this Sika, only Crawford and made it to media, made it also be some music and Wunkwana Udi Nisika.
Okay.
Yes, Dr. Bawumia Nisika, but he took 3 million from his hard-earned account and what they call my party. Yebeko ye a national delegates conference in Yakika contributions are omunina ye no. They can attest to it. They said Dr. Bawumia contributions to omunina ye. They can all attest to it.
And he said, Nema way, this is actually coming from the horse's own mouth. You are presidential staffer. And I believe for Nema Koso party, no. Or a idea when you them. And Crofo way almost common or more sponsor party. You are telling me say they sponsor less than Dr. Bawumia. And they still continue.
Omumu Bia ni who was sponsor up to the level of Dr. Bawumia. And Sana Yebeko Congress and Dr. Bawumia's contribution was about 7.5 million into the party. Omumbia knew our contribution. I mean, the highest among them was around 3 million. Was a day. You know, seriously, Omumbia knew our contributor at Dr. Bawumia. Or no, you're here, you know. Because seriously, they said, nothing probably was cow moon cow. Into no say, won't or being Canadian, you're here, you.
Yeah. But
yeah.
Here ni level where the mekura me bi anka me pepa.
Brother. Now.
So what me you say me dey ache me party.
Yes.
You consider me say me here ni me newe.
Yes.
It's a good thing. Edimpa hu hia sene ahonya. That means his good name has covered his
work. It has covered whether he is wealthy or not. I think that the good name more valuable.
In this case, that's what you want to tell me.
Now, Jessica, and now, and one say, I think be a Mati, Honorable Agyapong, I say more can they say, Obabedi president, on J salary. Car crowd be drive crowd no any car. Brother, I don't quite same way. OD MP for 24 years. You know, J salary and I know J salary.
So what? Yeah, 24 good years.
Thank you. It is. Oh my God, you're the president. I won't J salary. You don't have the track record because MP salary crowd J. Not the president. Dear.
Yeah, president.
As I said, Ghana for a boss as and look, and you're true.
Na mpacho mpese mi so asem we na yensanto aso Dr. Bawumia. Papa ne se ono obo be bie nyuma, right? Said the usika no. Akwa ni say he want to say as a president of the republic, in the name of Ghana, obe bie nyuma. The person mi say, do you think say Ghana as a country, can we go back to the Nkrumah status whereby state owns some factories and other things? Is it possible like that? You have said so as India for Papa and Hobet.
And the World Trade Organization, Krabono, you'll be practicing free market, and yet possible say state basic factories. Now say factories are because I tell my president before buy OC start factory. I used to start factory. After Kasua now would the when it Bodua say.
Okay.
And state now appointee MD managing director in Yamaniama. How did it end?
But
the best way president Bia Edi Buabu Ejuma by policies.
Okay.
Enuninia his excellency and Danko Akufo-Addo. Do not on your businessman. Oni sa Elon Musk ni Donald Trump muskanibi. But oba ansa no be fi abem na we bua Ghana ma ye bue Ejuma be 192.
Okay, managed by individuals.
He collaborated with the private sector. Only yours is here, Juma. Under him, we had about 7 vehicular companies settled in Ghana, assembly vehicles in Ghana. Toyota, Suzuki, Sonitrack, Bibri. Yes, I didn't know Ghana. Now, I mean, I dream and attitude na yedi jebao. David. Younger. So if you are used to stocks, shares,
Yeah.
maybe I trade shares and stocks now. Normally, what affects your stock is the behavior of the MD or the leader of your company.
Okay.
Leader no betimi aye bibi kakra CAB say call online paper o stock nyina be follow. Sana oman no nso no ni image eti oman no reputation and the be investors aba na say wo mo ma o. It is a president ubufu a utumi eturo ni ama say ubufu na one time bi ni bufu e o kan say akanfo nkunkum nkranfo ni ayegbefo na ayegbefo so nkunkum nkranfo say wo yes ade here. You actually destroy the image of the country now. Investors in Yinabejani. This is seriously as a president, as a share temperament and so. Now you share or no Nipanankasankasa character and so. And then as I mean who say yes. And then as I mean who say Oko voter region no catch from sending contact for any woman. And I'm who say hey. Now Christiana, I from Christiana, they say if you vote region. When you know a character, someone you can't overlook. So person we a leader to lead you, whether in your home, in your town, in your family, or in your country.
I see.
So issues of character, issues of attitude, temperament, Kasa dear as a politician, obetimi akasa on ye bebre than amount for. But the character should be something that will help you to have your peace of mind, to have your business. Awan kasa we no strive because obuye juma enyem ye nyina na ebeba go juma wo. E say yan kasa ni ayeye no eyi. And nyina depending on the personality of the person who occupies that position. Presidency, yes.
Next question I call me by you about Miaso. Me, I'm not an elderly man in the party, and I said me need a position be higher in the party. But now see me to say Eura Kennedy Agyapong in an interview be or handle with Kwesi Pratt. I can't say here. Honestly speaking. The general secretary and the chairman of the party, and I will never allow him contest because I think MPP belong to a certain principle, and a certain radical points to be and then it means he wants to be a president of that type of Kwame Nkrumah who is completely opposite of our ideas and our ideologies behind our party. But me took up with them idea that can form. If can you go to Bawumia?
Me da say na asemo a okan no krabo maye hu say papa na o say opese odi yen party na ni no. On being wo yen party no yen ideology mu ye.
Okay.
Apart from on being, because I can see that he is a confused persona of somebody who want to lead the MPP, which is a free market, a philosophical party. You believe in say there should be free market. Now, the time of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, that time na ye free colonialization and chair. Inti na inyama bi ti say adwuma bue ni nyama no na eye nyama na ehu hia pa at that time because na under the colonialism nya nipa bibiri na ewu scampo ombetumi venture into entrepreneurship. Inti na ombehia say state no bue adwuma na otumi de fa krom of amanfo na yo mutumi ye adwuma. Ba sisi a ye wo mu yi I think say ye twa sa level no as a country. Sisi level a ye wo no eno ni ni a he says na do da kwa kufu adu ba be ye no.
Empowering the people.
Yes, with the collaboration, give an enabling environment and let the individuals who have money invest and employ people to work. Because Uber America, nipa hin na ye adwuma wo abemu. Nipa dodo ni nyina ye adwuma wo private sector.
Private sector.
Yeah, more than 90% of the people existing in America work with the private sector. Like a credit pay na ye adwuma wo abemu. But they are all doing well because the environment has been created. Now, sir, to create that environment, you need somebody like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He is an astute economist. Unim what economic environment means.
I see.
What the komo BBR? What the komo BBR? Obeka ubi. Economist na ya wako bisa ni say na ekosen.
Okay.
But wait there, this is the man, and he himself, he knows what to do. To me, finance minister or Bank of Ghana governor, to me, inquire Sigano Basabasa, no mamma, dear throat, cover track. He himself, he will be on top of you. Seriously, this man, Dr. Bawumia, no dear. He said, "Na for a 2 year for and or 2 Ghana for national." He say, "So ni mo pa." Because
as a good manager, you must be on top of issues.
Yes, you must be on top of the issues. Yeah. Okay, when the minute Rollins didn't gidi no buy na went to me as I no. Oh, it's actually because he abandoned national affairs. When we say national affairs, and business people, security, economics, security, economics, the agriculture, no in our account, and no and a driver state. Run is over now the only security the economics no more okofa money because he doesn't the atrokra o nimu no born fam.
I see.
Sana ndi paya omo nyina ebe omote. Omo nyina obekwa akofo nkrofo na omo aba abeye na omo aye omo supervisors. Na I tell you, say mo anya ni papa na also obebo ofem team. Ba ya lucky Dr. Bawumia de ogogo bia na wabeda do bi obefa bia obebo ano enye so no ba be kire no. It makes it good for Ghana. Say Ghana benya ubisa na wedi omanenim. Because for what is going on under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, as he say Kurapono, bibi omuye bia omudi vindicate yem President Akufo-Addo ni Dr. Bawumia no. Emaye hu say ye hia obi ti say Bawumia onu no nimu nia oni Akufo-Addo hihye na wetimi aba be maso na Ghana etumi akonenim.
Okay. Now I say in the aspect like this, I say Dr. Bawumia can proceed from where Dr. Nanado left. Yes, I know person can hear you.
Yeah, he and him were the architects.
Okay.
Blueprint ekita or no so. Enania he has identified all those things. And all co-approach now only party focus and or catch how he intends to change direction and answer resolve it. And in some way and someone eto asumpa. Okay. Remember one example of asema okay.
Me too.
Well, Ghana say to abawie na your parliament. Normally aban power no, you don't get 100% of parliamentarians outside.
Absolutely not.
Yes, what happens in say normally you see almost be appointment in so appointing more than 50% from parliament. Say president appointing in Crawford do parliament. Often constituencies be say baby I fee. Because for the past 8 years we had nobody in government. I can say, well, a minister we are not so a CEO we are. say ni mo pram for hia bibia ye betumi akoni one na akọ discuss na ya pemoa. But Dr. Bawumia Mayati as say the president appoints almost 7,000 people into offices. Ni obeyeni say at least every constituency be obeman ye nipa 10. It is our constituency now nipa 10 who are going to take care of the constituency. It actually makes the work easier. Yes. And with this kind of solution, ebema ye didie jamoni then amunya ni nyamani amanyina no ebe confirm because say we hear police muna uba me hona menya ho kwan amoa wo call the next person who obi beboa. What will happen is we will be getting a lot of solutions to the local problems. Also can be almost say obey the budget. Obey making sure the budget will be generated from the constituencies. Okay. It, constituency bia no unim road are very important man. Unim baby in hospital school unim baby are very important man. We am going to finance minister office drop also. Moa mo be kire niam mo pese mo ye. And anyway na ye dey accord the account budget. It is the budget is starting running. You are actually going to be taken care of directly. You know, 100 kilometers our constituency be now constituency be there even 1 kilometer only be. Yes, it is that in a year government be 1,000 kilometers check ama 276 constituencies in say 5 kilometers obi abenye bi. Which is great. It is great for a nation building.
But in fact, as we are okay, but I just wanted to add something. Say Abrochira Yewo, for example, the entire Abrochire in Kurasi in a developer. This is because a road building and other things are actually managed by local governments.
Yes. I don't know. Yeah,
it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, it makes so much sense.
Me person chomra e party. Say yakasa the doctor between aye de ama ye man. Yanko ye
party na makao. Nia doctor nia we ya pimi aye ama no e dose be kakra bi na makao. Me ya nya da mi nkan ni nyina.
But ya minim se bebre wo ho but enam time issues you know. The person coming from party kakra me misa wonsem kakra bi wo party no. Na and also omo ayen many matiefo yenya nchiremu kakra wo.
Mate.
But amanfo say your party no call abato ya moye ho modern kra. Na according to the amanfo eka omo say enam candidate ye de call yeso. Anane ma ye lusu enye come up kra. But so obetumi I justify I clarify say we yama minimati for yenya ye ho ntiase kakra.
That's it. Me were a lot of responses to this very accusation. But I must start it this way. Yeah, Honorable Agyapong. My many when I say you lose Abano in 2022.
22, yes.
But 2022, no presidential candidate.
Nobody.
It is a day, and I would this work over Dr. Bawumia. I think you lose and I hear you, President Dr. Bawumia.
Oh,
with this grammar, person can be behavior because I think you lose 2022. Did Dr. Bawumia buy no body and say, Oba so mukeke. Say, Yenya baby engineer and Panso. Ye lose move the bank or yet you go see the pre. At least Yenya 41.75%.
Yes.
So we are mathematically running off 42%. In the 42%, Yenya baby engineer. Make I time now. NDC for Elusu in 2016, only 44%, and I'll be 43%. Only 43%.
Yeah, I think 43%.
Yeah. But almost one candidate, now or yeah, sitting president too. Dr. Bawumia, they are not, or no, they are not yet president. No, a sitting president. Lose 43 point something %. But and this is for any must say there is sense inconsistency, They maintain him. Even 2020, across lose you because on basis, but they still held on to him. 2024, you know what be winning landslide.
Your body do for
now come not for your primary crap no no jai because of your teaching is up to not to be crowded. Yes, because you can't no more akofa say na Dr. Professor Dubois added on the DNA. Now me beside the president that time in 1992 no. Now when I started party politics I hear contest we can be taking steps a big mistake near the other but call your name no na yes.
Yeah.
Nienti a betimi aka say nienti a lose 1996 election no year could be because ya repeat Eduboahin. It could also be so. Now it could also be because Rawlings was Rawlings.
Yeah, many democracy.
Many things could have happened. Yeah. It's no minimum say you repeat Eduboahin anka no man anko benye bi aka ho. But I am repeating no you be far J Kufuor I didn't call 96 Who if they be far J Kufuor no na media na meti Eastern region na man for ni am can say hey na MPP for there mo dey da na mo some candidate na mo kunto ba party no mo na because at time no NDC for mo primaries into your no na they are almost system is very stable into na Ghana for feel say asumdwe o mo no nti MPP for ye hu nyansa say oi say ye de Kufuor akona wakonya 38% ye send ni ko biomu a ebi be san ba be kan e na ye san repeating no for the year 2000 e na Yakupon chade ye kokko win ye fie no echi ube hu say party mieni nyina obia repeating the candidate ni presidential candidate obia nya mistake in kofo be fufuro because who knew now slack cover before for better opposition. Yeah.
What you want say?
Oh yes, engineer because we idea the blueprint is there for the MPP delegates. Mezumika Humbi, we should know say ye nimna is slack opposition ye better 2032 na ebia ye better me akwa ye be before na say a percent 2028 year be yet to me a winning party on our own a winning election on our own merit yen solution yen key Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay, me that's it. But me so asem. Even about me about pro, right?
Yeah.
Party no ya lose according to sources. You see a party the more juja kakra. Pacho and something na you about me na pro ba okono. O country delegates ya. Udune say ebe to me convince delegates say with Dr. Bawumia the party can unite together again and win in 2028 because per research and per report they say you lose not because people voted against us but Yanka say decided not to go and vote because of apathy a division be an war part to them. But so yeah no but I can't say a fast from message doctor it made a convince with his leadership as the presidential candidate, to bring it back from the roots of the party to the top hierarchies of the party.
Uni muse adiba kwa share party ma ebufu pa omo akwa nkoto aba the gaslighting one of the candidates in 2023 primaries, or the gaslighting party for power. And omo didi jamo and didi ayemamu bi and no more. Those are the things that a share party for before omo anwa nkoto aba no.
And a bit say you bejimu vote for years and
you gaslighting. So na nipa no okasano that time no na yenya the record of his contracts here but say yama party for na hu say nipa na okasano onu na ka contract e betimi a chama party for bebre na bia so dodo na so no onu nko a blackmail party no na waje na oje nso a na wa keep sika no no adan ne ho ababisa o say onu a we seize sika from coming to you no so ababisa o say na sika no kra wenye bi. And this say Ghana for in the party for no TRC say ampa nipa na like the way Lucifer obedada na wakwa ebon uye boni wi na oka join yakupose wa say oba we or your boni efo that kind of attitude no and me say no ye fio na number 2 say na me dey kan no Dr. Bawumia MPP for TRC say now we are going to be involved. We are all going to benefit. Okay. Because of the way our restructuring governance, you know. You know, and come base ono kwa kwata na hona enipa mbako mienu bi nkwana omo etumi ase eniama wona ase. You know, eno nso share party for nkran say eniama eri nkono say na ekono bribi etwemu no, and there was no way say you go offer nipa 100 nipa 1000 contract diama nipa ba ko biom ensi biom.
Okay, kasamiti.
Nia say yetichemu nkakran na nipa 100 enya ebia a contract of ebia 100 million I de be mo nipa ba ko yire no e betimi atichemu ama nipa be 100 na omo nyina anya 1 million contract wo ras yema 1 million contract wa Ghana na ko ye djuma na unya 400,000 wo mu a enya ode
asepe yeskani here ni
unya ona bi na here ni nkan ho biom unya 400,000 wa Ghana here ni nkan ho biom we yeskani straight
me ye dede me de me ho besi enti abi yeskani here ni no
and seriously the solutions now yet be resolve sa yen apathy problems ni nyina Dr. Bawumia e country amanfo enu echiri say na ebe ya ye be develop Ghana em say watimi aka waka ama Ghana for ate say so be president every region be obey no duty there will be a duty free every region. Okay. And say yanga yeta to kwano you can duty free anymore de kodie baby a obeko a obenya bibi ato tax en so na try say wetimi high how enti with new policies in the bebre niama okeka woni last election no mu a year very important in the way forward and afoforo de beka ho nyina wa ma Ghana for another yen party for no active na near ekoni say opponents no say Dr. Bawumia call apro won't say waka asemboni bi ana say wabo opponent bi mpodin dabi menti na so yeah opponents ne de Dr. Bawumia dia no mudi ya o campaign eno no de o campaign obeti anansen baby a Dr. Bawumia beko bia na manfo aba out abeka say and opponents be all supporting non supporting to say what Dr. Bawumia say or what Dr. Bawumia. Yes. Dr. Bawumia koso bubu mpontreni na yedi akwa to amanfo so no goguso bubu za mpontreni nyina na enimu say ebedu 31st January 2026 no bibia betoyi media minimu say winning there Dr. Bawumia be winning na emmo media me bompa say it shouldn't be less than 75%. Yeah, just to make a statement. To make a statement, say the party is united behind him, and so give him the confidence. Say when you hunye juma na yen win 2028.
Enti ipacho na wo kan se be betu so matene wo 10 time no mu se doctor say o de constituency level so person on Friday we say help desk or something like that. Say constituency. Can that help build back the love of the party at the constituency level?
The constituency help desk.
Because you say no church woman Yet I see what.
Oh, okay. The constituency via there will be a desk officer or transmittee and as a record the kind of helper every constituency member here, especially the party for no. Na yetumi every there will be or baba akon a opese oko police o enope na ono aye party executive ni enope na here no. Obi so wo a ope scholarship amaniba akọ school ebrochire.
Okay.
Obi so wo a ope sika kakra de didwa. Chese obia the needs no vary. Into there will be a desk na with the kind of constituency budget obeye no. Okay. We will be able to attend to each and every individual kakra. First, nipa ba kon to me emnya ejuma be ema nipa 300 onu nko a o. Onu ni hu nkrofo nko 300 no wa pa ejuma ma wo mo. Wo mo a enya ni hu nkrofo ni nyina na wo mo aka. Ba tete ni kwakwa ni se obi a benya ni kakra bebre. Kase ni nyina nko di nipa ba kon ho na wo mo aka no enya hwe. Indeed, that is the purpose of the constituency help desk na ye ba beye no. Ine nko ba se me Alex Mate nko a se wo be me nko a na ye peni power police immigration mo nko a na mbenya na wo mo a enche da embe me no na che se wo mo atena wo sa da bi enye ni se bio. Ye benya database of the need of everyone. Intino se bring so we open the database and we look at say okay, one more police or Ningo Pram. Omo ya nipa 20. Obi ya nipa 20. Okay, this year you bet me nipa 5 free. Na ya di akokan one more every baby. Na ya di one koko. Sa be do 4 years no. Na nipa 20 no. Na ya timi asebo one mo nyina.
I see. Now, but you can say the aim of doctor no is to avoid say one contract will be many contracts will be awarded to yede contract
one huge one contract will be consolidated into one man's hand.
Now can that be enuntimi nyensu so na am so papa bi no munya contract to no monya bere so person Dr. Bawumia beba we no so bet me aka ho pa no mo ye campaign o mo ye no ba because nipa dodo na ebe benefit no mo do so chen nipa ba ko na onu onya o pese o protecting interest no into the fallout no ye ni awa kan say wo mo a onu nko a enya no obe fight pa say Dr. Bawumia wini ba yen so a ye chicha ye benye bi no yesu ye do so into no say fight no it will not succeed. Yeah, in fact, because men can say, oh my God, the onchrophobia or hostile they behave as if Niama Eba media no munyante. Say after elections, contract will be about 10. I be say Papa na Sampine ye pa. Even though now Utimba TV so come say na Mome Ote Moncrofo na Modidia di Jana when no. At the beginning, no, I think many of us now we believe we say they are not could be true.
Now you say you can't quarantine and you say you quarantine no can.
Exactly.
You but you really say or no I can say number of ministers His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo appointee no. Or no and I need an nomination. In the one why I appoint one who go to the giant or some person go to the giant. He not do what call.
I say where they move. I question them where they are.
You.
Appointing ministers now. Some just a more
you. Mamima was about one TV me constituency Ningo Pram. So what is it? I say, Honorable Natoshi Wakwakoka Agyapong campaign.
Yes.
Na me say Zama meno cocaine na emisre. Honorable Natoshi, Nima Mifi, Ningo, partly from Ningo Prom.
Okay.
Yeah. Na, ni American is a Sir Mamina, Wako can campaign wa Iowa Mudea. Say, one more chow, no one campaign amana, say, no one can campaign trail, or no one na mitize ọkọ central region na enura ọba bepuye wọ Ningo Pram. Ne campaign ọyẹ ni nyinaa ni sẹ yẹpẹ obi a yẹsẹ NDC 4D Honorable Esudi Nketiana ebeba ọno wọ sẹ wakọ akọda akọbọ mpa yẹ na ni awehu ni sẹ Esudi Nketiana ọbẹfi NDC mu aba. Na Esudi Nketia ọnam a ọhún sẹ ọta ayẹ saa adìẹ yi.
Okay.
Ọhún sẹ ọta ayẹ saa adìẹ ni. Sẹ obi kum nipa o sẹ dẹ yo I don't know what it means. Na ọsẹ yẹn nam sẹ Esudi Nketia. Ọsẹ yẹn nam sẹ Esudi Nketia.
No, I'm a supporter. You are often yes, you get here.
Okay.
I'm what myself I can know. I'm more quaba, and I came from this. So more quaba. Patch of it, you.
It was a DNA said you could hear anything. Who said Nipa say, yeah, people so you didn't ban a Nipa, what is say, can a Agyapong, send a bear, or no, so yes, I don't know, so I see. Na yes me bush ya phone ever Ningo Pram the way omubu efu pa was ansem no be kika kire omo no wo
na seven word we are 2025 yeah po won bo atwede o bo.
Can you imagine because seriously Zama me we ni a obeka say we fit Dr. Bawumia HD call baby or me say it is open secret obi anim
tabi de minim
yenyina say na running mate 2020.
Okay.
Yeah, she was going to be named the running mate and amaso and say no amaso no feel say bia again say obey no running mate. I don't think say enumpo dey say a party na here no once obi a baby a abo anu pen odi ni kokko no bo. No so the need no kobo but say part to tell us na say NDC 4D obi or yes but yes obi or yes mrade no yeah MPP 4D we can't do that.
That be anti Django democratic country
that say omo di obi a only solution but the yen for obi or solutions mra eno na ye betimi dia ejuma but pass yen for obi a odi ntokwa ba yen for obi odi ntokwa be sia ne dia. No, I don't think that will represent any of us in MPP.
And some of you, partner. Me pesenka, me makwanya nanka tifo suntumia day. Emisa was said maybe there are things that I couldn't ask you. Ebiana obi so pese omfrena omisa. Entino, my prepare me home. Na meanwhile no yetumi akwa so adikobo. Na asem we emfa de ye kan hu mebisa to how you see efa home said you see how campaign e cost na e wo ya nka say ye fie holo after election after the primaries 31st January 2nd February ayere so na ye wie
31st January na ye be wie na
February, second
31st January and Juna baby as na first January 1st February I be kwa sorry no na yenga e be she white dey a she ko almost I kwa sorry say that so be kwa da fie. Yes,
well but you say machisi kan so na you wasem
machisi ke gu no na no so esi ewie